Why crypto isn't going anywhere and what you should know. This video is not financial advice. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. Let's talk about crypto, not the hype, not the scams, not the memes, just the facts and why crypto, whether you believe in it or not, is here to stay. So, what is cryptocurrency? At its core, crypto is digital money. It uses blockchain technology, a decentralized system where transactions are verified by a network of users instead of a single bank or company. No middleman, no gatekeeper, just code, consensus, and transparency. Bitcoin was the first, Ethereum came next, and now there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with its own use case, purpose, and community. But is it legit? Let's put it this way. Over 400 million people worldwide now hold some form of crypto. Major companies like PayPal, Visa, Microsoft, and even Starbucks accept or work with it. Entire countries like El Salvador have made Bitcoin legal tender. And behind the scenes, banks and governments are building their own blockchain-based systems. This is not a fad. This is a technology shift, just like the internet was in the early 2000s. So why is crypto sticking around? Because it solves real problems. It gives people in unstable economies access to money that isn't tied to failing governments. It allows fast, cheap, and borderless payments. It opens up decentralized finance where you can lend, borrow, and earn without a bank. It creates digital ownership from NFTs to tokenized assets. And most importantly, it gives control back to individuals, not institutions. In a world where people are questioning traditional finance, crypto offers an alternative. But what about the crashes? Yes, crypto is volatile. And yes, there have been scams and setbacks. But here's the truth. Every major innovation, from the dot-com boom to social media, had its rough early days. The scams get filtered out, the hype dies down. And what's left? The infrastructure, the use cases, the builders. And that's where crypto is heading now, into its next era. So what should you do with all this? You don't need to buy a coin or become a trader, but you should learn. Because blockchain, crypto, and digital assets are going to be part of the future. Just like email, apps, and online payments became part of your daily life. Comment below. Do you own any crypto? Or are you still on the fence? Smash that like button if this helped you understand a bigger picture. And subscribe to the Wealth Loop for more no-fluff breakdowns on money, investing, and the future of finance. See you in the next one.